Hi, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe and comment if you like. Here I am at the mouth of the River Derwent that flows into the River Tyne on its way to Newcastle. Through Newcastle, heading on towards South Shields and into the North Sea. But today I'm going to head upstream to see if there's anything interesting up there. See you soon. This bridge takes trains from Newcastle all the way up to Carlisle, and from Carlisle all the way back to Newcastle again. I have to be careful here because there's bikes. This is part of the cycle route, Keelman's Way. And it's a coast-to-coast route as well. But me personally, I think I would like to take the train. Crossing the bridge over the River Derwent, that's looking a bit sad for itself when the tide's out. Lots of mud. But we'll carry on, crossing the bridge, see if we can find anything interesting coming up. This pathway takes you past some of the big shops. That's part of the metro centre. Seems very strange when all this nature is, and it's right next to one of the biggest shopping centres around. It's really weird, all this quiet, just away from the hustle and bustle of all the shoppers. The weather's not too bad. Take this turning on the left. Would be heading onto the range. Not many cowboys about. We'll go a bit further. I think I'll find there's a pet shop. this pathway has been improved immensely because it used to be all mud, but now they've tarmacked it over, so it's great. It's used by dog walkers, cyclists, heading on towards the river town, and from there you'd head on to Newcastle, go even further to South Shields. Here's a cyclist coming up now. There's quite a lot of cyclists going around. Seems like too much like hard work in my liking. On my right there's a big storage yard. That's where the noises come from. Tall all over the UK. On the left hand side there's a little path here that you would take to go to the pet shop. Through there. The River Derwent is tidal, so they have weirs in place to stop the water from backing up. At the moment the tide is out, so the river's low down, but we're just coming up to the place where I lost my drone. It was attacked by birds and then fell into the river, never to be seen again. The River Derwent has nice peaceful places. Nice scenic walk. And I have seen people fishing. There's brown trout in here. And I've also been told at certain times of the year there's salmon. Who would have believed it? I'm sorry that my shadow's in the way. Of course it's autumn and it's nice to see the leaves changing. Lots of leaves are dropping at the moment. Nice blue skies. This building saw the birth of Metro Radio, a local radio station which was very popular. A lot of DJs were started here and went on to bigger and better things. One of which was James Whale, who was unfortunately passed away just recently. The Hackney Bridge. It's a footpath over the River Derwent. Very bouncy. See some birds down the river here. Some ducks. Swan. Some ducks swimming. Flying. I think the swan is actually asleep. Thank you for watching my vlog. It's been very eventful. I was hit by a car. I lost my drone. Very sad. But I've certainly put my time in. I hope you come back and see what happens on the next one. So bye.